So today we're going to Pepe's Cellar. It's a fantastic bar in the basement of the Grand Tivoli restaurant. We're going to meet Ryan. He's going to make us some fantastic holiday cocktails. Let's go. I'm here with Ryan Gavin, mixologist. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. Here at Grand Tivoli, we're an Italian restaurant. We have a basement bar downstairs called Pepe's Cellar. We're owned by Australians, so we bring a unique Australian flair to Italian food here in Nolita. Today we're going to make some cocktails with Bushmills Irish whiskey and some Matusalem Grand Reserve rum.
Exciting. What are we making?
So we're going to make a couple of drinks for the festive season.
Right on.
So the first one we're going to make is using some Bushmills Irish whiskey. We want to make some fall flavors here. So one of my favorite ingredients to use in fall is a little Calvados, apple brandy. So I'm going to put a little bit of apple brandy in there. Okay, so that's an ounce. Some lemon juice for citrus component, another 3/4 ounce. We need to balance out that citrus, so there's a little bit of sugar going in. Also 3/4 ounce. And one of my favorite fall flavors is some fresh cranberries. Yep. So we're just going to throw those in there. Now this is a smash style of cocktail, which means it's very, very rough and ready. We're going to put a big dose of Bushmills Irish whiskey. And this is the kind of thing that people can do at home fairly easily. If you've got the ingredients. Pop the top on and give it a really hard shake. We want to strain this out, and that is ready to go. So it's going to be nice and sour, balance that with some of that sugar, and nice and strong because of that big dose of Irish whiskey. It's always nice to pop a little garnish on top, a little snack for later. Oh, there goes one, and that's a little fall smash.
It looks super festive.
This one's inspired by the flavors you might find in like a Christmas pudding. So we're going to start by putting some Pedro Jimenez sherry in. I want to put some spice notes in. So this is an allspice dram. So this will give a pimento flavor. So a deeper, more Christmassy spice. I really love banana bread. So I'm going to use a special banana liqueur. I want to put a little bit of spice bitters. This is a cocoa bitters. And of course, we're going to use some of the Bushmills original Irish whiskey. Going to put some ice in this, stir it down because we want to take some of the sting off some of the alcohol and just get the temperature right down as well. Strain it into a nice chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a lemon twist.
Loved the Irishman. That was a fantastic cocktail. What's next?
Next we're going to do our version of an eggnog. We're going to put some cold drip coffee liqueur in there from Australia. So we're tying both the Cuban heritage of the Matusalem Rum with my heritage of being Australian. First thing we're going to put in is a whole egg yolk. We want some sweetness as well, so we're going to use a maple syrup to add the sweetness. We want it to be nice and creamy and rich, so there's some heavy cream. Now comes some of the delicious flavor. So this is Mr. Black. It's a coffee liqueur from Australia. Get a little caffeine in your eggnog as well, which is always nice. And then finally the Matusalem Grand Reserve. Now I'm going to do something very interesting. We're going to shake the cocktail without any ice first. It's called a dry shake. This is so we can emulsify all the ingredients together. Finally, we put some ice. Give it a good hard shake. We're going to strain this into a chilled little cocktail glass. And for a garnish, we want a little extra spice, so there's just a little nutmeg. This is what we're calling a hot fig rum punch. Now this is a hot drink which is going to be great for when the weather starts to really, really cool down. So first, this delicious fig vin cotto. We want a little bit of extra tropical fruit flavor. So this is a house-made pineapple syrup. We're going to add some black lemon bitters. We're going to balance some of that sweet flavor out with a little bit of a lactic acid solution that we make here using some powdered lactic acid. We want to lengthen it with some extra hot water, and we also want to have a nice big lug of Matusalem Grand Reserve. We're going to heat this up just on the coffee machine here, just using the steam wand. We want a little extra spice. So this is a ginger and turmeric tea bag. It's kind of like a little hot tea with some rum. It's going to get richer and more full flavored as that tea bag just dissolves in there. A little fig garnish there, little black mission figs, and that'll be everything you need on a cold day.
Ryan, thanks so much.
No worries.
We loved coming. We loved the cocktails. We're excited to come back. It was wonderful. Thank you for joining us today. We had a great time. We hope you did too. For more recipes, check out their website. I'm Christian Roth from A Taste of New York. During the Golden Age, Matusalem was the most popular golden rum and perfect partner to enjoy the island's spirit. Find out more about this special spirit at Matusalem.com. Over the last 400 years, Bushmills has developed a name worldwide as a fine example of classic Irish whiskey, and today the distillery has a rich portfolio. Made, matured, and bottled on site, Bushmills is the only place in Ireland that does that. For more info, visit bushmills.com.